Have you ever tried cauliflower dumplings? These are cauliflower dumplings in onion tomato sauce or gravy. This dish is a celebration of flavors. It literally bursts with flavors the moment you keep it in your mouth. You have to try this in order to actually know what I'm talking about. Hi guys, I'm Soumya and welcome back to Dash of Delight. If you still haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe before heading towards the video and press the bell icon to get the notifications when I post any new recipe. I've taken one cauliflower and taken out its florets like this. Then I blanch these florets in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes in order to make sure the florets are nice and clean. Then finely chop them in a food processor. You can also grate it or use manual chopper for this process. So after being chopped, the cauliflower florets should look something like this. So look, granules are neither too fine nor too big. Now add handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, 1/3 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 onion finely chopped, and salt as per your taste. Stir and mix everything together. So guys, you can also add any vegetables if you feel like finely chopped carrots, bell peppers, etc. Now take a small portion of wheat flour dough and roll it out flat. You can also take all-purpose flour. Make sure do not take big portion. We need just a small one. Then roll it out just enough to cover your palm. Then take a generous amount of cauliflower mixture and keep it on the dough. Then lock and seal it in a form of a dumpling or dim sum. If it's not sticking properly, you can apply a drop of water on the edges and then stick it. Then take a fork and press gently on the edges in order to seal it properly. So you can make any shape of your choice actually. Similarly, I've made all the dumplings here. Now take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Heat it, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it change the color, then add 1 big onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they become translucent or slightly pinkish. See, like this. Now add 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger and garlic. You can also use ginger garlic paste. Then here I've finely chopped 1 big tomato in my manual chopper. To this I'm gonna add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, and salt as per your taste. Add all these things directly into the cooked onions. Also take 1 cup of water in the same bowl and add into it. Stir and let it cook until the water is reduced and everything is cooked properly. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for that vibrant color, but that's optional. Let everything cook for 5 minutes. Then when the masala is properly cooked and become nice and dry like this, add at least 2 glasses of water. Stir it and wait for 1 boil. Also add salt here. Then once the water reaches the boiling temperature, add in all the dumplings here. So here goes my dumplings. Be very careful guys, do not burn yourself. So go slow at this step. Now let it come to 1 boil. And once it starts to boil, just flip it over. Don't use any ladle shaped spatula or any cooking spoon here. Rather use a flat spatula, otherwise you might end up breaking the dumplings. Keep the flame to high at this stage. Once you flip all the dumplings, wait for 5 minutes. Let them boil and then after 5 minutes, flip them over once again. So you need to flip them twice. Now lower down the heat, place the lid and let them cook for 3-4 minutes. After about 4 minutes, open the lid and add handful of chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. Switch off the gas here and you will notice that as they cool down a bit, the sauce will start to become even more thicker than before. So just take it out on a plate and serve it hot. Guys, you will not believe how delicious this recipe comes out to be. Do try it and let me know in the comments below if you like the recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Dash of Delight for more amazing vegetarian and vegan recipes. This is me, Soumya, signing off. See you in the next episode. Take care. Bye bye.